Okay, so basically the inspiration for the tornado dance is the fact that, when there are so many natural disasters, there has to be something to bring joy into people's lives. And, for me, whenever I'm sad, I know that dancing is what makes me happy again. And so I was thinking, there's interpretive dance and other kinds of dance, and I thought, what if I could make the disaster the dance? What if I could make the disaster what brings joy to people's lives? And, that was really what was important to me, and so that's just kind of where it came from. Okay, so basically, Rebecca's retarded, at least 15 or 20%. She hasn't even ever seen a tornado. I don't know what the H this dance is supposed to be. I mean, who exactly is this dumb? Okay, so that was Katie, and basically she is a hater. I mean, what is this? Ooh, I don't want to be seen. I don't want to be in the video. Let me put some bubble wrap in front of the camera. What is that? This is such a crock. I mean, I don't know. She's a hater. She's jealous because, she can't do the tornado dance. No one really can. Everyone thinks they can, but no. I made this dance up. It's my dance.
I always thought Rebecca was retarded. Maybe we should have put her in CDC.
Okay, so my mom is a hater too, and she doesn't understand. I don't know, maybe it's the foreign thing or something, but I mean, I know I'm not retarded. I know I shouldn't have been in CDC, and if anything, it's genetic. So, I mean, she can just go on.
Okay, so basically, I'm not even sure why everybody hates on Rebecca's dance so much. Because we're both dance people. Currently, I'm working on my dance called the Tsunami. I mean, it's so great, and people are hating on that too. So let me show you a little bit.
Turn me up some.
I mean, Susanna's really the only person who understands my dance, and, the reason that I have to do it. I mean, look at her dance. Tsunami. She put a little piece of her soul into that one. And I mean, all you can hope for as a dancer and an artist is that you reach people and touch their souls. And even if you just reach one person, that makes it all worth it. And that's why I'm a dancer.